Wow. Hi, welcome everyone, Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make something new. This is trending in Dubai. This is called croissant box. So I will show you how to do this. This is my croissant dough. This croissant dough I fold double and one single. So you already know it's one double folding and one single folding. So I'm going to use this, and you need to sheet this one 3.5 centimeter, two pieces you keep together, and you can use this mold. You need to use same like two pieces you keep together. Use little bit water spray. We put on top this spray, little bit oil spray. I'm going to put in the prover 1.5 hour. After 1.5 hour we will check. Now our croissant box is ready, so we are going to bake now. Before bake, you can see how it's to look the croissant box. Let's go. This one you need to cover with another tray, so it will be not go over. 175 Celsius, 15 minutes, humidity 0, and fan number 3. No steam. Our croissant box is ready. Let's see. Let's open. Wow. You can see the layers.
This is the perfect.
Something.
This is
Schedule finish, huh?
wow.
How's the taste?
Amazing, amazing, amazing.